Here in the shower. No, I'm actually in IKEA right now. I have such a love-hate relationship with this place. I love IKEA for its design and the inexpensive prices, but why do we hate IKEA?
Because it takes so long to get out of here.
It takes forever.
It takes this guy.
No,
We've been waiting for you right here
Well,
forever.
I've got my stuff to do. I am not a big fan of shopping. I actually really enjoy parts of it for the retail merchandising. I love to be inspired with, I love design, and so I love to be inspired with different retail merchandising that's out there. But what I love about my wife even more, she hates shopping. Like she can't stand it. So that's good for me financially. So, but here at IKEA, what I love about them, they have huge objects like headboards specifically, and you can turn them into cool set pieces or set design for like a wall feature or a desk. In the past, with my previous business, Salt of the Earth, I actually took these headboards, and at the time they were $50 a pop. And I took these headboards and I turned them, we did some CNC router work and turned them into a trade show booth wall. And then they were like kind of divider walls in our office. We built our offices out of these storage containers. I'll do another episode about that sometime, but we built these out of these storage containers and had these dividers in different offices with these headboards because they were inexpensive, they were lightweight. I also took this kind of slatted headboard that normally would hang on a wall going this way, and then I made a cool desk in my office out of that. So the thing I love about IKEA that you can do, if you're working on like kind of a set design for like a show you want to produce, or like really cool design, like you can get massive objects here that are usually lightweight because it's full of cardboard, and then you can like hang them really easy or cut them up or get some like CNC laser or like router work done and get them done. So I'm going to show you guys like over to the next some future episodes all the IKEA the hacking that I have done over the years, but this is just one idea, taking headboards, making them like just be like a big feature wall or something like that, like in your office, or for like designing a set for your show you want to do.
Like this if you like it, comment for the community, and share if you really care.